Welcome to the show, Gautam. Welcome
you,
to
thank
Hashtag
you.
Top Young. Such a pleasure. Finally, we
Finally,
are
it's been
together.
2000 after 2005,
Yes.
and we were discussing that only. After 2005, we are meeting up.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I mean, though we met a couple of times in between, but it's been like
yeah. In terms of meeting
Long
up means in terms of properly sitting together, and-
hanging out.
Yeah, chatting.
Absolutely.
How things, man? You looking good?
Thank you so much. So are you?
Thank you.
Shining bright star of television industry.
Bright star.
Bright shining star of the television industry.
Chal raha hai, going on.
Wonderful. So I'm straight going to get you to Hashtag with Abhyang.
Okay.
Have you seen any of the episodes of any
Yes,
season?
I have. The first season, yes.
Wonderful, really nice. So, we have this little tradition that we follow where just to see that you don't lie,
Okay.
we take a oath which is called as Hashtag Ki Kasam.
Oh, तेरी यार.
So
क्या
we
करना
need,
पड़ता है उसके
we need a mobile phone. You have to place your hand
Okay.
and you have to say this कि मैं Hashtag की कसम खा के कहता हूँ
मैं हैशटैग की कसम खा के कहता हूँ
कि मैं जो भी कहूँगा
मैं जो भी कहूँगा
सच कहूँगा.
सच कहूँगा और सच के सिवा कुछ नहीं कहूँगा. आई लाइक दैट. बहुत सुनी है ये लाइन मैंने.
Now we hope you don't lie because mobile phones are the most important thing in today's date and time.
आई एम ओके टू गिव इट अवे.
You just swore on that.
Okay, but I'll
So you're not going to lie now. Wonderful. So we have 3 sections in the show which are called wicked, bold and sexy.
wicked, bold and sexy. Ooh, I like that.
Do you think you're wicked or bold or sexy?
I can be wicked, bold. I don't know. Sexy, I'm not. So I don't know.
Okay. A lot of your fans are going to be, disheartened.
When
you
they
say that
know,
you're not
I
sexy.
say this all the time, man.
Really?
Yeah.
Wicked you are. I mean, I have known you for quite some time. So
Wicked I can be.
I also know you're bold, but you're probably a little correct when you talk. You're probably bold in your head.
Yeah, I think before I speak.
Absolutely. I mean, I've always noticed that.
Yeah.
Great. So let's just go to the questions directly. So the first section is called Wicked.
Okay.
And your first question is, how does it feel being one of the most sought after television actors of our time?
How do I feel? You feel nice. It's just that I try to be different in terms of pick up different roles as much as possible. Like I still remember the phase of Saras and Mahakum and Suryaputra Karan and Nach Baliye, which were completely different than one another. So, but see, the only issue is you don't get those many opportunities every time in life.
Absolutely.
So I was very lucky, I can say, and
You played lucky also.
I played lucky also, man. So yeah, I played lucky.
That's why you were
I like that, lucky. Yes. So I've done different kind of shows, different kind of genres. Been there, seen all the phases of television as much as possible. Good ones, bad ones, average ones. So seen it all. But yeah, as in very proud to be a part of this industry. It's because of television what I am today. Whatever little name that I've garnered for myself, it's because of television. And if you say that the bright shining star, I like that sound.
We are
of
very
that
proud
statement. Thank you.
of you. We are very, very proud. I've been a friend, so I'm very, very proud of you. I mean, every time I see you doing some big show, I'm like, that's my man.
Thank you.
That's the boy. It's like that. Really nice. Genuine and nice answer. Good one. Let's take you to the second one.
Yeah.
How did life change after Saraswati Chandra? Because it was Sanjay Leela Bhansali.
I was still seeing a video. I reposted one video of one of my admirers on Twitter. As in, I was just seeing a video of mine when I was in UK. See, when I realized that it became a huge hit was when I was in UK, Leicester. I came out of a community hall. I still remember, it's very clear. It was a street full of people. Everyone chanting my name as well as Saras' name. They were holding the placards, and that happened in UK.
Wow.
So it was like the person who was walking next to me was saying, I'm feeling like Shah Rukh Khan, man. So it was the first time I actually realized what it is to get that particular character in terms of to get a hit under your belt.
Stardom.
I don't know about stardom, but you can say, as in terms of the first time I realized so many people chanting my name, Gautam Saras, and it's still there on Twitter. So I reposted that. You can see that. So as in it was must be around 400-500 people on one particular street, and everyone, as in someone is pulling my jacket, someone is pulling my hair, and it was a different feeling altogether, man. It's been really good, yeah. It's
Surreal.
Yeah, you can say that.
I think it was the most perfect casting. The way it was shot, the way it was, scaled, the way it was put up, the way it was written.
Yeah.
I think
The first
a
3
beautiful
months of the show were excellent on another level, man. I really loved it, to be very honest. Then
creatively,
later-
I'm sure, because working with Bansali sir must have been quite something.
Yeah, it was. And the guy who directed it and who really handled it was Mr. Arvind Bubble. So who produced and directed Mahakumbh for me.
Acha.
So he was the director of Saraswati Chandra.
Okay.
And he is something, as in he is really, really good.
Absolutely.
So I love working with him.
Great, wonderful, really nice answer. Something that I'm sure a lot of your fans must be looking forward to listening to from you, because that's still something that people remember you with. It's a role that's
Definitely.
gone down in history. Next one, I think you already answered that, but I'm still asking you. One director you can keep working with forever.
Arvindji, again.
I thought so.
We worked together a lot. We did a Z show,
I see.
the first one. That was in 2008-9.
I
And
see.
then we did a film for Star. It was called Teri Meri Love Story. That was the first film of that slot. Rajan Shai produced it.
Okay.
Arvindji directed it and I acted in it. Then we did Saraswati Chandra, then we did Mahakumbh.
Wow.
And now we are working on something again.
Wow.
We're trying to work on something again.
Wonderful.
So, love to work with him, as in great guy. He's the best on television.
Fantastic.
So, no doubt about that.
Great.
So, yes.
My next section is called bold. So the questions are going to be a little bold. Answers are supposed to be a little bold. No diplomatic answers. One thing about the Indian television industry you would want to change.
That we don't follow the rut in terms of if on one channel, if one genre or one particular show becomes a hit, every channel, every production house wants to
something.
make the same thing. See, I don't blame them at the same time, because that's what the audience wants to see. That's what we think.
We think.
And we want to play safe.
Yeah.
So sometimes I just want everyone to take a bold step and try to be more brave and try to experiment a little rather than just following one particular channel on one particular show that's become a hit.
Yeah.
So I think that should be a change.
So if you ever become a producer, you are going to probably.
I
do
just
the-
hope I get a chance and they listen to me and the channel entertains me to make something different.
You will. Why not?
See, it's just that new producers don't have much say in the
I know
market in
that.
the beginning.
I am a
So-
producer, so I'm actually going through that.
Yeah. So now again, it's like you're just waiting for someone to believe in you
Absolutely.
and back you at the same time, that you want to do something different and honest, and you want someone to kind of just believe in you and give you that chance. Ki boss, okay, fine, you've come with something different and you believe in it, so I believe in it, and let's make something good together.
Just go ahead and make it.
So yes.
Wonderful. Really nice answer. Next one. One habit of yours that you can't live without and you don't want to do without.
Live without, I think my wife will vouch for that. She's sitting there. Wife is there, man. She's looking at me.
Yeah, we can have a close-up of hers.
So I think, I don't know about habit, but it's my gym, my workout, which I can't live without, and sometimes
People can't deal with it.
people can't deal with it. So yes, so that particular habit, workouts, but I love working out. I love being fit.
Wonderful. Really nice. But that's not such a bad habit that you want to get rid of.
I don't want to get rid of it, but
I'm sure you're enjoying it. Next one. The weirdest rumor or the funniest rumor you've ever heard about yourself.
weird is that I'm dating 3 girls at the same time.
Oh my God.
That was, I don't know when, ages back, and
Okay.
2 of them I didn't know only,
Oh my
out
God.
of the lot, and one of them was an acquaintance, not exactly a friend also. So that was weird, and I heard that in one particular day only, that okay fine, I'm dating this one, I'm dating this one, I'm dating this one, and it was out in the media only.
Oh my
and 2 of them I never interacted, never said hello to. I go, what the hell, man, what's going on? Well, that's how
That's
things
how
work.
the industry is.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Interesting. Next section is called as sexy.
Sexy. Ooh.
Yeah.
मेरी पैंट भी sexy, मेरी shirt भी sexy. That's
Yeah,
sexy.
but then you just keep, you just said that you don't think you're sexy.
No,
but,
not at all,
But
man.
this will decide that.
Oh. Okay.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how much would you rate yourself as an actor and on good looks?
Actor maybe 6. Good looks maybe 4.
What?
Yeah.
That's just too much of modesty happening here.
I don't know, yeah.
Did your mobile phone just crack this check?
Bibi, mobile phone.
Did you just like, bip, 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 okay.
Okay, I'll change. Actor maybe 7. Looks maybe 4.
Still the same.
Still the same.
Okay. We say 10 on 10 for both.
Arre baap re.
Next one. What, according to you, is your sex appeal?
Sex. You should ask my wife that. Oh, what's my sex appeal? I'm a good person. Your sex appeal hai. Lanat hai, dekha, but that's why I say I'm not sexy. My wife thinks like that.
That's the wife answering.
Yeah, I'm a good person.
Yeah.
See, wife is being very honest, brutally honest.
What do you think is your sex appeal?
Or body maybe, I don't know. Man.
Okay, good one.
Yeah.
Next one. 3 things you notice in a beautiful girl.
3 things I noticed in a beautiful girl. The way she speaks, the smile, eyes, and
Okay.
again the good person part.
Okay.
So yes,
Okay. 4 things actually.
4 things actually.
Nice. And the last one, a little naughty one. I don't know how do you answer that. Your biggest fetishes.
Fetish, sweets I can say.
Really?
Yeah, man. As in
What?
cakes, clothes. Clothes.
I was just going to ask you where does the sweet go? I mean,
I don't know. If I eat a lot. If I don't, I never touch it.
so sweet is
Sweet, I
a
eat
weakness.
laddus. I love laddus. On one of my birthdays, that's the other thing that I felt sick. After eating 1 kg of cake,
Oh my
whole
god.
cake I ate. 10 minutes I finished it, man.
1 kg cake.
1 kg cake, man.
And you fell ill after that?
Yeah.
Upset stomach.
Yeah. Everything happened to me, man. Everything wrong happened to me. I was sick on my own birthday, man. After that.
Awesome, man. You've done really well. We're done with the 3 sections. Wicked, bold,
Jai
and
Mata Di.
sexy was really quick. Now the most difficult, one that you
Okay,
have to
okay.
still answer.
Oh.
You have to say some good things about me. That's the most award-winning
See,
reaction
one-
I was waiting for.
I keep doing that, man.
All awards for that reaction.
See, we've met a couple of times.
Yes.
We've spoken a lot. We've interacted a lot on messages.
Messages, phones.
But one really good thing about you is you've been a friend throughout. As in, you've never lost touch. I've not been that nice. I'm admitting that in front of the camera. But you've been always there. You kept asking me, how am I doing? How are things going? So that's one great quality about you. So that's why still after, I don't know, 16 years, 17 years, we are still in touch. It's all because of you. So the whole credit of this friendship goes to you.
How sweet.
So
Wow.
and I'm being brutally honest about that. Because very few people take out time for other people.
Yeah.
So because we all are busy in our own lives,
Yeah.
as in, and you move around, you
Yes.
do your own thing. Then after that, very few people stay in touch, and you stay in touch, man. So
Wonderful.
So great thing about that.
And how does it feel on being on hashtag with Abhyang?
It feels great, man. Shooting with a friend. So,
Finally, we're doing something
yeah,
together.
Finally, we are doing something
After so many years of saying that let's do something together. Thank you so much, Gautam. Thanks a ton for being on the show. What a pleasure to have you.
Same, man.
And I hope you also enjoyed being
Loved
on the
it.
show.
Loved
If there's anything you'd like to say to your audience, to your camera.
Hey guys, if you like this episode, kindly like and subscribe our Facebook page and YouTube channel.